Hi students, my name is S.H. Chalam. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Okay, today discuss about properties of triangle or solutions of a triangles. Okay, now we are total 8 concepts in this chapter. First one, now problems on sine rule. Second one, cosine rule, tangent and Malvoid rules. Fourth one, projection rule, off angles. Sixth one, area of the triangle. Okay, seventh one, circles connect to triangle. Eighth one, nature of the triangle. Okay, in this chapter, 30 to 40% of problems now using equilateral triangle data. Now, equilateral triangle data is called a magic triangle. Equilateral triangle data is called a magic triangle. Okay. Now, what is a equilateral triangle data? Simply called as ETD. Equilateral triangle data. Okay. Now, you take small a, small b, small c is equal to 1. Now, capital A, B, C is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Next, S is equal to, now A plus B plus C by 2. Now here 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Next, delta value, area of equilateral triangle delta is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, now your small a value 1, root 3 by 4 into 1 square, okay, is equal to root 3 by 4. Okay, next one, small r is equal to delta by s, small r equal to delta by s. Delta value root 3 by 4 by s value 3 by 2 means into 2 by 3. Okay, now 2 ones, 2 twos. Okay, root 3 here, root 3 times cancel, 1 by 2 root 3. Now here, smaller value 1 by 2 root 3. Okay, next one, R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. Okay, now here delta value root 3 by 4 by S minus A, 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, now root 3 by 4 by, okay, 1 by 2. Root 3 by 4 into 2 by 1. Okay, R1 value root 3 by 2. R1 value root 3 by 2. And also R2 delta by S minus B. And here also root 3 by 4 by 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. R2 value also root 3 by 2. R3 value also root 3 by 2 delta by S minus C. Okay. Root 3 by 4 by 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 4 into 2 by 1 means root 3 by 2. Now here R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, next value, capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. Okay, small a, small b, small c value 1, 1 into 1 into 1 by 4 into delta value root 3 by 4, 4 can root 3 by 2, and also P2 is equal to 2 delta by b. Now 2 into root 3 by 4 by 1, and here also root 3 by 2. Next to P3 value also 2 delta by c. Now 2 into root 3 by 4 by 1, and here also root 3 by 2. Now here P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, maximum 30 to 40% problems now using equilateral triangle data. All now here smaller value R1, R2, R3, and also P1, P2, P3. Now easy to solve using these values. Okay. Now problems to solve using equilateral triangle data. Now equilateral triangle data is called a magic triangle. Okay, first one, in triangle ABC, sigma a cube cos b minus c is equal to, okay, option 1 ABC, 2 ABC, 3 ABC, 0. Okay, now by equilateral triangle data, by ETD, sigma small a value 1 cube cos 60 minus 60. Okay, now cos 60 minus 60, 1 cube value 1, cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1, sigma 1 into 1, sigma 1. Sigma 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, now given expression value is 3. Now by verification or by ETD, no, sorry, by AVM. By AVM means answer verification method. By AVM means answer verification method. First one ABC. Small a value 1, small b value 1, small c value 1. 1 into 1 into 1, 1 is equal to, first one is wrong. Okay, 2 into 1, 2. Here also second one also wrong. Okay, next. I hope the third one is the correct. Okay, option 3. 3 into 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, third one is the correct one. Okay. Second one, in triangle ABC, if A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C is equal to 2 delta by K, then K is equal to, okay, option 1 small r, capital R, S, R square. Okay, now using equilateral triangle data by ETD, okay, G given expression, G means given expression or given equation, small a value 1, cos 60, 1 into cos 60 plus 1 into cos 60, okay, 1 into cos 60 is equal to 2 into delta value root 3 by 4 by K. Root 3 by 4 by K. Okay, 2 ones, 2 twos. Cos 60 value 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2K. Root 3 by 2K. Okay, now 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2K. Okay, now 2 to cancel. Now 3K is equal to root 3. 3K is equal to root 3. Okay, now root 3 times cancel. K is equal to 1 by root 3. K is equal to 1 by root 3. I hope that now second one is the correct. Capital R value 1 by root 3. Therefore, second one is the correct one. Next, third one. In triangle ABC, a square sine 2c plus c square sine 2a is equal to, previous MSET 2001. Okay, first option delta, 2 delta, 3 delta, 4 delta. Okay, now using equilateral triangle data, now given G, small a value 1, 1 square sine 2 into 60 means sine 120 plus 1 square into sine 120. Okay, sine 120 plus sine 120. Okay, sine 120 value sine 90 plus 30. Okay, cos 30. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Okay, now 1 into root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, now 2 root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel, the value is equal to root 3. Okay, by AVM, answer verification method. Okay, now delta value root 3 by 4. Okay, I hope that fourth one is the correct. 4 into delta. Now option 4, 4 into delta. Now 4 into root 3 by 4 is equal to root 3. Therefore, option 4 is the correct one. Okay. Fourth one. in triangle ABC, cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2 by cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to, okay, option 1, A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. Second one, A square plus B square plus C square by A plus B plus C whole square. Third one is, fourth one delta. Okay, this one also now using equilateral triangle data. Now ETD, cot A by 2, cot 60 by 2, cot 30 plus cot 30 plus cot 30 by cot 60 plus cot 60 plus cot 60. Okay, cot 30 value root 3. Okay, now root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 by cot 60 value 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Okay, now 3 root 3 by, now 3 by root 3. Okay, now 9 by 3, 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Okay, now by AVM, by verification, answer verification, okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 square by 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, I hope that first one is the correct. By verification, option 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 whole square by 1 square plus 1 square value 1. Now 3 square, 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, first one is the correct one. First one is the correct one. Okay. Next, fifth one, if alpha, beta, gamma are the lengths of the altitudes of a triangle ABC with area delta, then delta square by r square into 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square plus 1 by gamma square is equal to. Okay, now by using equilateral triangle delta, now here alpha, beta, gamma are the lengths of the altitudes. Just now here consider a triangle ABC. Now here okay, lengths of the altitudes means now here AD, B, CF. Now here P1, here P2 and also P3. Now alpha is equal to P1, beta is equal to P2, gamma is equal to P3. Okay, now alpha is equal to P1, beta is equal to P2, gamma is equal to P3. Already P1, P2, P3 values are given. Okay, now given expression, delta value root 3 by 4 whole square by r square value 1 by root 3 whole square into 1 by P1 square, 1 by P1 value 2 by root 3 by 2. Okay, now root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, now is equal to, okay, 3 by 16 into, now 1 by 3, 3 by 1 into, now 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Okay, 9 by 16 into, now LCM 3, 12 by 3, 12 by 3. Okay, now 3 ones, 3 threes, 4 threes, 4 fours. Okay, 9 by 4. That value 9 by 4. Okay, now by verification, now first one sine square 60 plus sine square 60 plus sine square 60. Sine 60 value root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. Okay, first one is the correct one. Okay, now that value is equal to 9 by 4. By verification, by AVM, answer verification method. Okay, option 1. Now sin square 60 plus sin square 60 plus sin square 60. Now root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. Therefore, first one is the correct one. Okay. Next one, in triangle ABC, R1 by BC plus R2 by CA plus R3 by AB is equal to. Okay. And here also by using equilateral triangle data. Okay. R1 value, R2 value, R3 value root 3 by 2. Okay. Root 3 by 2 by BC 1 into 1. Root 3 by 2 1 means root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, now 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, now by answer verification method by AVM. Okay, option 1. 1 by R minus 1 by 2 into capital R. Okay, 1 by small r value 1 by 2 root 3 minus 1 by capital R value 1 by root 3. 2 into 2 by root 3. Okay, is equal to 2 root 3 minus root 3 by 2. Okay, now root 3 common. 2 minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. Root 3 into 3 by 2. Now is equal to 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one. Okay. Next one, in triangle ABC, if R square cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 is equal to. Okay, first one delta, 2 delta, 4 delta, fourth one delta by 2. Okay, now using by equilateral triangle data by ETD. Okay, given expression small r value 1 by 2 root 3 whole square into cot A by 2, cot 60 by 2, cot 30 into cot 30 into cot 30. Okay, now 1 by 2 root 3 whole square means 1 by 4 into 3, 1 by 12 into cot 60 value root 3 into, now root 3 into root 3. Okay, root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Okay, now 3 root 3 by 12. Okay, 3 ones, 3 fours. Root 3 by 4. Okay, root 3 by 4 means that value is equal to delta. Delta value root 3 by 4. Therefore, option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is the correct one. Okay. Next one, in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C to B plus C minus A, C plus A minus B, A plus B minus C by 4B square C square. That value is equal to. Okay. And here also now using equilateral triangle data by ETD. Now small a value 1, small b value 1, small c value 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 into. Now where 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 by 4 into 1 square means 1 into 1 is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, by verification, answer verification by AVM, answer verification method. Now here A value 60, cos 60 value, cos 60 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4. But here also second one also 1 by 4. But here 3 by 4 is there. Now here observe that sin square A and both 3 and 4 value 3 by 4. Sin square 60. Sin square 60 means root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 4. And here also sin square B. Fourth one also sin square, third one and fourth one sin square 60 root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 4. Now this type of problems are given. Now using symmetry, we observe that quotient. Now here denominator 4 b square c square. BC is there. A is absent. Now here only, now you take angle A, you take third one is the correct one. Option 3 is the correct one. Okay. Next one, in triangle ABC, 2AC into sine A minus B plus C by 2 is equal to. Okay, A square plus B square minus C square plus A square minus B square minus C square minus A square, C square minus A square minus B square. Now, your previous AIEEE 2002, now JEE mains. Okay, now using equilateral triangle data by ETD, 2 into given expression value G, 2 into small a value 1, 2 into 1 into 1, sine 60 minus 60 plus 60 by 2. Okay, now 60 cancel, 2 into 1, 2 into sine 60 by 2 means sine 30. Okay, sine 30 value 1 by 2. Now 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Now by AVM, answer verification method, by AVM. Okay, first one, 1 square, option 1. 1 plus 1 plus minus 1. 1 plus 1 plus minus 1. Okay, now is equal to 1. Okay, second option also 1 plus 1 minus 1. Here also, second one also correct. Okay, third and fourth one are wrong. Now here using symmetry. Symmetry means we observe that quotient. Now here A plus C. A and C are positive, here minus B is there. Now A and C are positive, now here minus is there. Therefore, second one is the correct one. Okay. By verification, by answer verification method, option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one. Okay. Okay, next one, in triangle ABC, 1 plus cos A minus B by cos A minus B into cos C by 1 plus cos A minus C into cos B is equal to. Now here 4 options are given. Now using by equilateral triangle data by ETD. Okay, given expression value 1 plus cos A minus B, 60 minus 60, cos 0 value 1, 1 into cos 60 value 1 by 2, 1 into 1 by 2 by, and here also denominator 1 plus, here 60 minus 60, cos 0 value 1, 1 into 1 by 2 is equal to, okay, 1 plus 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, now 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, that value is equal to 1. That value is equal to 1. Okay, now verification by AVM, answer verification. By answer verification. Now your first one, 1 plus 1, option 1, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. First one is 1, and also option 2. Second one also 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay. Third one and fourth one does not exist. Now here only, now 1 minus 1 here. Now verify that first one or second one. Both have option 1, answer is 1. Option 2 also 1. Now using symmetry property, now observe that question. Now here A minus B, denominator A minus C. AB, AC. We observe that here AB, AC, but here AB, BC is there. Now option 2 AB, AC is there. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one. Option 2 is the correct one. Okay. Thank you.